Hi, friends. I don't know if you know this about me, but I love Finding Nemo. It's actually my favorite movie. This is going to actually help us when we're talking about our lesson today. Our learning goal for today says, I can share my opinion with reasons to convince. Now, reasons to convince means that you can explain why you like it and try to get someone else to like it too. So, for example, I just told you I love Finding Nemo. So that's my opinion. And I could say, Finding Nemo is the best movie ever. And then here are my reasons. My reasons are, first of all, I love the ocean. The ocean is so interesting. But also, it's about a little fish who goes on a big journey and he does a lot of failing forward to find his son. And I love when I watch a good movie where someone is working hard to persevere and not give up. All right, did I kind of make you want to see that movie? Ooh, I hope so. I'm trying to convince you that it's so amazing. All right, when we're trying to sell a movie, when someone makes a movie and they want you to be excited about going to see it, they're going to make different advertisements. Today, we're going to use our learning goal and we're going to look at different advertisements for Finding Nemo. Here we go. Here is choice number 1. Now, you'll notice we've been learning we have to look at the illustrations and also the text because that's where we're going to get our information. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to look at that good picture. Oh, very cool. All right, let me read the text on there. It says, Disney's Pixar Finding Nemo. See it in cinemas 2003. From the creators of Monsters, Inc. Now, the reason why the creators of this ad put in those good words is to try to convince you. They said Disney. Ooh, maybe you like Disney. Pixar. I think I've seen other Pixar movies that I loved, like Toy Story. Monsters, Inc. That's a movie that I totally loved. So, in this advertisement, the creator is trying to convince you to see this movie with the illustration and the text. This is choice number 1. Now, friends, this is choice number 2. It's kind of the same, but it's also a little different. Look at the faces of Marlin and Dory. And then look at all the animals. It's definitely changed a little bit. In this one, there's a lot less text. It only says Disney's Pixar Finding Nemo. But there's a lot more to see in the illustration. I can learn a lot about both movies from looking at the illustration and the text of both of the ads. All right, now this is where you come in because our learning goal said I can share my opinion with reasons to convince. So, you're going to seesaw a video to me and you need to make a choice. Which ad do you like the best? You need to tell me, ooh, choice number 1 really made me want to see that movie, or choice number 2 really made me want to see that movie. And now I need to be convinced. So you need to tell me which one you like the best, and then you need to tell me the reasons why. I want you to tell me something from the illustration that helped to convince you, and then something from the text that helped to convince you that that was the best ad. All right, I recommend pausing this, studying it, making notes of what you're going to say, and then go ahead and seesaw me. Good luck, friends.